Ever wondered what Solana is and how it works? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this groundbreaking cryptocurrency. Solana, a rising star in the cryptosphere, is a high-performance blockchain platform designed to facilitate decentralized applications and cryptocurrencies. It was launched by the Solana Foundation in March of 2020, led by former Qualcomm, Intel, and Dropbox engineers. Solana's unique selling point is its impressive speed and scalability. It can process more than 50,000 transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains in existence today. But what does Solana's speed and scalability mean for you? In simple terms, it means quicker transactions and lower fees, a winning combination that has seen Solana rise rapidly in the ranks of the cryptocurrency market. Solana's potential doesn't stop there. Its innovative technology is paving the way for a new generation of decentralized applications. With its unique architecture and growing popularity, Solana is certainly a cryptocurrency to watch. At its core, Solana is a high-performance cryptocurrency blockchain, but what does that mean, and how does it work? Well, let's dive into the tech side of things. Solana's unique feature is its consensus algorithm known as proof of history. This is a novel approach that allows the network to process transactions at a high speed, and it's what gives Solana its renowned scalability. It's like a super-fast highway where each car represents a transaction, and there's no traffic jam no matter how many cars there are. But that's not all. Solana also boasts impressively low transaction costs. Imagine being able to send money across the globe for less than a penny. This makes Solana an attractive option for developers and users alike, paving the way for a whole new wave of blockchain applications. So, with its high speed and low-cost transactions, Solana is making a significant impact on the blockchain landscape. Now that we've covered what Solana is and how it works, let's explore some of its practical applications. Solana's high-speed, low-fee blockchain makes it ideal for a variety of use cases. One of these is decentralized applications, or dApps. These are applications that run on a peer-to-peer network, rather than on a centralized server. Solana's scalability allows a large number of transactions to be processed quickly, making it a popular choice for dApp developers. Another key use case is decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi aims to use blockchain technology to recreate and improve upon traditional financial systems, and Solana's efficiency and speed make it a strong contender in this space. Finally, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, represent another exciting application. NFTs are unique digital assets, often linked to digital art or collectibles. With its ability to handle high volumes of transactions, Solana is well suited to support the growing NFT market. From financial services to digital art, Solana's potential applications are broad and exciting. Interest piqued by the potential of Solana? It's time to learn a bit more about its role in the investment world. Like many cryptocurrencies, Solana can be purchased on various crypto exchanges. Once bought, it's important to store it securely, often in digital wallets specifically designed for crypto holdings. However, remember that investing in any cryptocurrency, including Solana, is not without risk. Volatility is a hallmark of the crypto market, and prices can fluctuate dramatically in short periods. It's essential to do your homework. Understand the technology, the team behind it, and its use cases. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. Diversification, as in traditional investing, can also be a smart strategy in the crypto world. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the world of crypto, Solana offers fascinating possibilities. But as always, knowledge is power when it comes to investing. So equip yourself with as much information as possible before diving in.